Hi, welcome to this video of Gmail Addon for Vtiger CRM. Gmail Addon for Vtiger CRM lets you view and manage your Vtiger leads and contacts info directly inside your Gmail account. We use connector service to access your Vtiger CRM. To work with Gmail Addon, you must install the GraphQL module inside your Vtiger CRM. After you install the add-on from G Suite Marketplace, you can find it right here. Click on the add-on. It will display this open an email message if you don't have any emails opened. So select any one email from your inbox. Click on the authorize access to provide permission to our add-on to access your Gmail account. It opens a new window. Here choose the email account. Click on Void Vtiger Gmail add-on. The next page will show the permission needed for the add-on to access your emails. Our add-on will access your email metadata. We will access the sender and receiver email address of the email message. We will need these addresses to fetch the information from your Vtiger server. The email address will be sent to our connector service. Our connector service will then fetch all the related contacts or leads from your Vtiger server. Also importantly, we don't save any of these email addresses in our server. If you agree with these permissions, click on Allow to accept and continue. Now you have to register with the new username and password on this add-on. So click on New User Register option. Provide the details here. The information you provide here will be stored in our connector service, and you can use this username and password to re-log in the add-on. Once you register the add-on, give your Vtiger CRM URL here. The add-on will show an alert like this for two main reasons. First one is GraphQL module is not present in your Vtiger CRM. So before configuring the add-on, check that your CRM has GraphQL module or not. To install the GraphQL module in Vtiger, please download the module from the link provided in our documentation. Below in this video description, I mentioned the documentation URL. And another reason is your CRM URL is not a publicly accessible URL. Now give the right URL here. And click Next. Click Connect Vtiger. This window will show that connectors want to access your Vtiger CRM account. Click Allow if you agree and provide your Vtiger CRM credentials here. Click on Authorize button. That's all. The add-on is now connected with your Vtiger CRM. The add-on will fetch all the email addresses participated in this email conversation. Click one email address here. The Gmail Addon for Vtiger automatically fetches records related to this email address if it is already present in Vtiger CRM. You can see the lead record related to this email is already present in Vtiger. You can also create new leader contact from Gmail using this add-on. Now I'm going to add this email as a new lead. So select lead option in module type. Click on create new. The add-on brings all the lead fields in Vtiger and it shows all the mandatory fields at top. Start filling all the necessary fields. Once you're done, click Save button to create a new lead record in Vtiger. Now let's take a look at my Vtiger CRM. The new lead I created inside my Gmail account using the add-on is automatically added in my Vtiger. Whenever you want to update the info of the contact or lead module record, you can do that right from your Gmail. Select the record you want to update. Just click on the edit button present in the record detail view. Start making the changes. Now I am going to change the company name of that lead record. Once done, click Update button to update the changes to Vtiger CRM. Now let's navigate to Vtiger CRM to see the changes. You can see the company name is updated automatically. Hope this video is useful. Install and try the Gmail add-on for Vtiger CRM now. The add-on is also ready to use from your Android phones. Thanks for watching.